We have a 2013 Chrysler Town and Country. As you can see, we are completely dismantling this vehicle for parts. So I just want to show you how to replace the door mirror. The door has already been removed right here. This is kind of the connector, and here's the mirror that we're going to be removing. And it's very easy to actually remove it and replace it, but you do have to remove the panel. So let's get to it. These are the tools we're gonna need. 13 millimeter socket, this in case we drop a screw, a magnet, a flathead, T20, and a pick. Let's get to it. We can remove this panel right here. It will expose the bolt, 13 millimeter bolt. That's the only bolt for the mirror. The reason we have to remove the panel is because of this harness that's going all the way back here. So in order to remove the panel, there's two screws, T20. So the first one is right here, and usually there is a cover on top, right over there. But right there, there's usually a cover that you can remove with the pick, but this one, the cover is missing. So we will just go ahead and remove the T20 bolt right there. Okay. All right. Okay, so the first bolt is out. This is what we got here. Okay, and this side, as you can see, the cover is still on. You can take the pick and just pry off the cover right there. And as you can see, there's another screw, T20. I'm just trying to work with one hand here. Okay, so right there. This screw would come out right there. That's our second one. We're ready to remove the panel. You see there's a little place right here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's right there. You can just go in and just pry it off. You do need to use some force. So these are the clips down there. Let's see. You can see it or not. There's another one right there. They all just go in those areas, and just pry them off. You don't need to completely take off the cover because you have access to the harness area right over here, and this is the harness that's coming in. There's a clip, I'll show you right there. Okay, so the harness is off. I'll show you. Here's the little clip. You would push down on this and pull it out, and that's what it looks like right there. And the only other thing to do is remove this 13 millimeter bolt. All right, there's the bolt is out, and right there, the mirror is out, ready to go. And just reverse the order to install the new one.